Hard water can quickly build up on toilets, sinks, and taps, and over time can leave rust and scale stains that are very unsightly and often extremely difficult to remove. Nowhere is this more problematic than in a toilet, which sees a lot of use and holds standing water constantly. While there are many commercial cleaning products that can remove hard water stains in the toilet, baking soda and vinegar are especially effective. Strong commercial cleaners can also wear away at the enamel on the bowl, while this solution comes with the added benefit of being free of chemicals. To use this method, pour about 1 cup of vinegar into the toilet bowl and swish it around with a toilet brush. Let it sit for about 1 minute. Next, add about a cup of baking soda to the toilet bowl, then add another 1 to 2 cups of vinegar. This will create a fizzing action. Let the solution sit for around 10 minutes. The third step is to use a toilet brush to swish the solution around the bowl, making sure to get the solution into any stains that are above the water line, but don't flush the toilet at this stage. The final stage is to let the vinegar and soda solution sit for up to 30 minutes, swishing 1 or 2 more times until the stain is gone. If any stain remains, scrub it with a toilet brush or a stiff bristled nylon brush. Finally, flush the toilet to rinse. After using this method, you'll find your toilet will be back to mint condition. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to descale a kettle naturally.